L900 Pro 4K GPS Drone, the ultimate foldable quadcopter for aerial photography and intelligent flight. Elevate your drone experience with the L900 Pro 4K GPS Drone, a perfect combination of performance, smart features, and portability. Whether you're a first-time flyer or a seasoned aerial photographer, the L900 Pro is designed to deliver stunning visuals, stable flight, and intuitive controls. Foldable, powerful, and packed with advanced tech, this drone transforms your perspective from the ground to the sky. Imagine capturing sweeping panoramas, orbiting a subject, or planning a cinematic route, all with the press of a button or a swipe on your screen. The L900 Pro makes that possible. Full specifications. Component specification. Model L900 Pro. Motor type brushless motors. Camera. Front. 4K. Wide angle. ESC module. Camera. Bottom. 720p HD. Camera tilt 90 degrees adjustable via controller. Field of view 120 degrees. Front lens. Flight time up to 28 minutes. Charging time approximately 4 hours. Remote control distance up to 1,000 meters. Line of sight, FPV, image transmission distance 500 to 600 meters, 5G Wi-Fi. Photo resolution 4096 x 3072 px. Video resolution 2048 x 1080px. Battery, drone. 7.4 volts 2200 mAh Li-ion. Remote battery 3.7 volts 350 mAh Li-ion. Channels, gyroscope 4 channels, 6 axis. Unfolded size 32 x 32 x 5 centimeters. Folded size 13 x 10 x 5 centimeters. Takeoff, flying weight approximately 214 g. Foldable arms yes. Material high strength engineering plastics. Camera and imaging capabilities. From breathtaking landscapes to dynamic close-ups, the L900 Pro brings versatility and clarity thanks to its dual camera system. Front 4K wide-angle camera. Delivers crisp, high-definition aerial footage with a broad field of view. Use it to capture dramatic vistas, architectural scenes, or cinematic flybys. Bottom HD camera. Essential for stable hovering and indoor shots. Combined with optical flow stabilization, it helps your drone maintain position and avoid drift when GPS is weak or unavailable. Electronic stabilization and angle adjustment. The camera can be tilted 90 degrees via remote, allowing you to shoot frontward, downward, or at angled perspectives, all without physically touching the drone. This makes capturing vertical shots, tilt-shift videos, or unique compositions easier. High-resolution still and video. Get 4096 x 3072 px photos and 2048 x 1080px video outputs for sharp, shareable content. Gesture capture and smart controls. Make a hand gesture to take a photo or begin recording. A selfie mode without needing to press buttons. Flight performance and stability. A drone is only as good as its flight control. The L900 Pro excels in this arena. Brushless motor system. These motors are quieter, more efficient, and more durable than brushed alternatives. They provide responsive thrust, better battery usage, and reliable performance. GPS-assisted flight. Use smart features such as return to home, automatic or manual, low battery return, and signal loss return to ensure your drone never gets lost. The built-in GPS enables precise location tracking and safe autonomous behaviors. Optical flow stabilization. Ideal for indoor flights or environments without GPS coverage. The bottom camera and optical sensors help maintain stable hovering by tracking ground patterns beneath the drone. Altitude hold and fixed hover modes. The drone can lock its height automatically, making filming smoother and more predictable even in variable conditions. Orbit, circle flight. Select a subject, set a radius, and let the drone circle elegantly while keeping focus. Ideal for action shots or real estate tours. Waypoint, route flight. Draw a flight path directly in the mobile app. The L900 Pro then flies that path autonomously, allowing you to focus on camera control. Follow me mode. Want the drone to track you as you move? Turn on Follow Me and let it follow your path, keeping you centered in the frame. Headless mode and 360 degrees flips. For convenience, headless mode aligns flight direction with the remote always. And if you want flair, 360 degrees flips are available with a single button. Design and portability. One of the fortes of the L900 Pro is its thoughtful design. Foldable arms. Compact and travel-friendly. Fold it down for easy transport and unfold for full flight readiness. LED body lights. Improves visibility during low light conditions and adds aesthetic flair during evening flights. Lightweight yet robust. Built with high-strength plastics, it strikes a balance. Lightweight enough for agile flight, durable enough to withstand knocks and bumps on the go. Compact weight. At approximately 214 grams, this drone lies under many regulatory thresholds, which means in many regions, registration or certification may not be required. What's included? Package list. 1 L900 Pro 4K GPS drone, foldable. 1 remote control, with built-in 3.7 volts 350 mAh battery. 1 7.4 volts 2200 mAh Li-ion drone battery. 2 spare propeller blades. 1 USB charging cable. 1 screwdriver. 1 instruction manual. 1 memory card reader, if included. 1 camera module, pre-installed. The perfect gift drone. If you're looking for a gift that blends excitement, creativity, and innovation, the L900 Pro is a standout. Suited for beginners and intermediate users alike. Great for capturing memories, adventures, and social content. Portable, foldable, and easy to carry. Built-in safety systems make it forgiving for new flyers. Ideal for birthdays, holidays, graduations, or tech lovers.